I have a solution to all your toilet paper issues, and it costs less than $26, takes less than 10 minutes, and it's super easy. I'm gonna tell you how to do it completely free, step by step, right now, and this is the only tool you're gonna need. This right here, this is a sprayer for the kitchen, but it works perfectly for what we're gonna need it for. I looked on Amazon today. I can't buy any piece to do with a bidet or the bathroom. These parts are for the kitchen, so unless there's mass kitchen renovations that start going on, these parts are always gonna be available. In the comments section, there's gonna be a piece-by-piece list of everything you're gonna need to put this together. All you have to do is give that list to your hardware store person, and they should be able to get you every piece you need in a couple minutes. So here are the pieces you're gonna need to put this together. $5.98, $4.72, $6.71, $1.64, $6.59. You can do the whole thing for under $26. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. All right guys, now the first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn the water off to the toilet here. Once the water is off here, flush the toilet completely. Keep the lever down all the way so it drains the tank completely. Once the tank is completely drained, you're gonna take your 5/8 inch wrench and you're gonna start to undo this part right here. Now before you start unscrewing the supply line, you want to take a small bowl like this and place it underneath to catch any water that's going to come out, because the tank still has a little bit of water in it and it's going to come out as soon as you start unscrewing it. So this is what we're going to do. Only turned it a half a turn before I can do it with my fingers. So now that it's loose enough, I can turn it with my hands. And you can see the water dripping out. And there you go. See, not a lot, just a little bit of water. That's all it took. Now the first thing you want to put on is this. This is the 3-way splitter. So we're going to install this first. Tighten it as much as you can by your hand. And then you're just going to take it and do a 1/4 turn. Tighten it up. That's sufficient. You don't want to tighten it too much. Now, you're going to take this and just reattach it to the top. So the only thing you're doing is putting something in the middle to split the water off. And again, you're going to take your 5/8 inch wrench and tighten it up so you got it about right there. Now that's perfect. Now the next part is taking your 3/8 inch supply line and just hooking it up right here, right where you just did. Hand tight is good. And as soon as it's hand tight, you're going to turn it maybe a half a turn. There you go. Now you have a 3-way going right there. Now the next piece is the magic piece of this whole thing. It's this guy right here. You attach it to the end of this hose right here. Tighten it as tight as you can with your hand. And that's good for now. Now the last piece of the puzzle is putting this on. This is usually a kitchen sprayer. So you're going to attach this to this guy right here. And usually these two things don't go together. This one and this one do not usually go together. That's why this part right here is super important. It's the splitter that makes it so it goes from the bathroom line, this is the bathroom line, to what would normally be a kitchen line for your sink. And that's it. The handle comes like this. When you receive it, you take this apart, and these are the parts that are in between it. So you want to be very careful not to lose any of them. There's a washer there too. Oh, there it goes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this part of the handle, put it on there first, and then you're going to use this clip right here, and you're going to throw it on there, just like that. Now you're going to take your washer and put it on there, hold it. You're going to take your handle like this, and you're going to screw it on until it's nice and tight. Hand tight only. You don't need to use any tools to do this. Now we're going to hold it over the sink and we'll give it a shot. Let's turn the water on. You can see we have no leaks right now. No leaks down there, no leaks here. There we go, it works. Now let's give it a shot. Now that's pressure. Now you're gonna be clean after that. So now where do you hold it if you're not gonna keep it on the floor? This part right here is a suction. Let's put it right there. Push it, and then lock it in. And there you go. And there's your do-it-yourself bidet for under 26 bucks. Let's try it out. All right, now it's time to use my bidet. That works. Now I feel like hanging out in the bathroom all day. If this video helped you at all, please consider liking and subscribing. I would really appreciate it. My new channel is going to be bringing you a lot of life hacks, tips and tricks to make life better and easier for you.